Let us solve this question here. Let a1, a2, n be real numbers such that this is equal to 1 by 2 a1 till an minus n minus 3 divided by 4. So if we solve this part here, we can write under root of a1 as x1, under root of a2 minus 1 as x2, under root of a3 minus 2 as x3. So if we write till an minus n minus 1 as xn. From that we can write the value of a1 as x1 ka whole square, a2 as x2 ka whole square plus 1, a3 as x3 ka whole square plus 2 till an, that will become xn ka whole square plus n minus 1. So from that only plus n minus 1 here this side, and if we solve here we will put all the values here in this part. So this will be on putting values, that will be a1 as x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn here is equal to 1 by 2 of a1 square, a2 square, we can write it as x1 का whole square, x2 का whole square, x3 का whole square till xn का whole square here, and like this on adding plus 1 का 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till n minus 1 here plus n minus here, this will be n minus 3 divided by 4. Now if we write this part, we can write it as summation of x till I is equal to 1 and I is equal to n. So that is the summation here. And if we write here 1 by 2 as common, that will become, this side it will become x1 uh, xi ka whole square of summation I is equal to 1 and I is equal to n. Like this only here also if we take, that will become n minus 1 as n minus 1 divided by 2 minus on taking common here it will become 2 only, 1 by 2 if we take common from this part also, so that will become n minus 3 divided by 2. Here if we take LCM, that will become, on multiplying this part it will become 2 summation I is equal to 1, I is equal to n of xi equal to summation xi का whole square, which is I is equal to 1 and I is equal to n, plus taking LCM as 2, that will become n square minus n square plus 3n. This will be cancelled out from here and we will get 2 summation I is equal to 1, I is equal to n, xi equal to summation I is equal to 1, I is equal to n, xi का whole square plus minus n plus 3n will become 2n by 2. 2 will be cancelled out, and if you open this part it will become 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3, like this only. So firstly we will put this summation into this side, so it will become an quadratic type equation and it will be xi ka whole square, here it is written, so it will become x1 ka whole square, like this. If we open the summation, x2 ka whole square, x3 ka whole square till xn ka whole square minus 2 uh, into xi ka whole square, like that only, xi x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn here, and here plus n. We can write n as 1 plus 1 till n times is equal to 0 here. So from that we can make it a whole square here. Whole square formula we can make it for x1 plus x1 minus 1 ka whole square, that will become x1 square plus 1 ka whole square will be 1 only minus 2x1. So that will become, on opening the bracket here, that will become x1 minus 1 ka whole square, like that, x2 minus 2 ka whole square, x3 here x3 minus 3 ka whole square till xn minus 1 का whole square equal to 0. Here this is 1, sorry, this is 1 here, x3 is not x3 because here we have 1 only in the whole square. So that will become 1 in all three. And if non-negative numbers, sum of non-negative numbers here is equal to 0, we can write all the terms are here 0, means x1 minus 1 is equal to 0 this part, x2 minus 1 is equal to 0, x3 minus 1 is equal to 0, xn minus 1 is also equal to 0. From this part only we can write the values of x1 as equal to 1, x2 is also equal to 1, x3 is equal to 1, means all the values are equal to 1 of x. And if we put the value of x here, we will find the value of a1, a2, a3 like that only. And we have to find a1, a2, a3 till a100 here. So from that we have to put the value. A1 will become 1, a2 will become x2 ka whole square, that is 1 ka whole square plus 2, and here x3 ka whole square, that will become 3, a3 is equal to 3. And if we write for an, that will become x का होल स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 ओनली, बिकॉज x की वैल्यू 1 ही रहेगी, चाहे वो xn के लिए हो चाहे x3 के लिए, तो 1 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस n minus 1, 1 will be cancel out and an we will get as n. If we find here the sum of n natural numbers, we know the formula for sum of n natural numbers as sum of n natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 by 2, and here we have to find till 100 sum of 100th natural numbers. So that we will put the value of 100 here, it will become 100, 101 divided by 2. So 101, 100 divided by 2, if we solve it, that will become 5050. So 5050 is the sum here, and this is the answer here in this question. So this is the solution of this question, and this is the final answer here in this question of which we have to find the value of a1 till a100. So this is the value of this part here. There is no space, that's why I have not written the full part. I have just solved in a small manner. Hence this is the final solution, and this is the logic which we are going to use in this question here.